Do you believe that money is the root of all evil, or do you see it as a tool for achieving freedom and prosperity? Our beliefs about money more than anything else shape our financial destinies. What you believe about money, how it's made, how it's saved, and how it's spent, plays a massive role in your journey toward financial freedom. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? There was a time when I believed that money was a scarce resource, something that only the lucky or the unscrupulous had in abundance. My finances were a mess, my savings were non-existent, and my dreams of financial freedom seemed like a far-off fantasy. But then, a shift happened. I stumbled upon a book, a simple, unassuming book about the power of belief. It wasn't a financial manual or a get-rich-quick scheme. It was a book about mindset, about the power of positive thinking. This book by Dr. Norman Vincent Peale is called The Power of Positive Thinking. Got me thinking about my own beliefs about money. I realized that my belief in scarcity, in the difficulty of making money, was holding me back. It was a self-fulfilling prophecy. Because I believed money was hard to come by, it was. Because I believed that only the lucky or the unscrupulous could be wealthy, I wasn't. So I decided to change my beliefs. I started to see money as a tool, as something that could be earned and saved and invested wisely. I started to believe in abundance, in the possibility of financial freedom. And you know what happened? My finances started to change. I started saving more, spending less, and investing wisely. My dreams of financial freedom didn't seem so far off anymore. So, here's the million-dollar question. What do you believe about money? Do you see it as a scarce resource, something that's hard to come by? Or do you see it as a tool, something that can be earned and saved and invested wisely? Your beliefs about money will shape your financial destiny. So, what do you believe? Now that we've explored our beliefs, let's dive into the practical side of financial freedom. Financial freedom may seem like a lofty goal, but it's not out of reach if you have a plan in place. And that's where financial planning comes into play. It's the roadmap that guides you to your destination of financial independence. It's not just about earning more money. It's about understanding where your money comes from, where it's going, and how you can make it work for you. Let's start with income. This is the money you earn from your job or business, and any passive income streams you may have, like rental income or dividends from investments. It's essential to have a clear picture of your total income, as this will inform the rest of your financial plan. Next, let's consider expenses. These are your outgoings, the money you spend on living costs, bills, and discretionary spending. The key to managing expenses is striking a balance. It's about understanding your needs versus your wants and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Then we come to savings. This is the money you set aside for future use. It could be for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, your child's education, or your retirement. The goal is to consistently save a portion of your income, no matter how small. Remember, small steps can lead to big results over time. And finally, investments. This is where you put your money to work. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or a business can generate a return over time. It's a way to grow your wealth beyond what's possible through savings alone. So, there you have it, the blueprint for financial freedom. Income, expenses, savings, and investments. These are the building blocks of a solid financial plan. It's not rocket science, but it does require discipline, consistency, and a willingness to learn. Planning is the first step towards financial freedom. It's not about how much money you make, but how well you manage it. So we have a plan, but how do we put it into action? Here are some tools to help you build wealth. First off, let's talk about debt management. It's like a pesky fly at a picnic. It's annoying, it's persistent, and it's hard to get rid of. But with a proper plan, you can swat that debt fly away. Start by making a list of all your debts and prioritize them based on interest rates. High-interest debts should be paid off first. Next, establish a monthly budget to ensure you're living within your means. Remember, every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can use to pay off debt. Moving on to credit score improvement. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. It's what lenders look at when deciding whether to give you a loan or a credit card. To improve your credit score, make sure to pay all your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. It's a bit like maintaining a good reputation in high school. It takes consistent effort and good behavior. Next up is tax planning. Taxes are like the cherry on top of the financial sundae. They're the final piece of the puzzle. With good tax planning, you can minimize your tax liability and maximize your wealth. This can involve strategies such as taking advantage of tax deductions and credits, investing in tax-advantaged accounts, and timing your income and expenses to reduce your taxable income. Lastly, let's talk about insurance and protection. Insurance is like an umbrella on a rainy day. It's there to protect you when things go wrong. Make sure you have adequate coverage for your home, car, health, and life. And remember, it's not about having the most insurance, it's about having the right insurance. With these tools, you can start turning your financial plan into reality. It's like building a house. You need the right tools to turn your blueprint into a solid, sturdy structure. With the right tools, you can turn your financial plan into a wealth-building machine. We've built our wealth, but how do we ensure it lasts? Here's where retirement and estate planning come in. So let's talk about retirement. The traditional concept of retiring at the age of 65 is slowly changing. Many are now opting to retire early, while others are choosing to delay retirement. But regardless of when you choose to retire, what matters most is being financially prepared. Early retirement might seem like a dream come true, but it requires careful planning. You'll need to ensure that your income streams are diversified and reliable enough to sustain you for a potentially longer retirement period. On the flip side, delaying retirement can give you more time to build your wealth, but it's important to balance this with enjoying the fruits of your hard work. Whether you're aiming for early, traditional, or delayed retirement, having a solid plan is crucial. Start by setting clear financial goals. Determine how much you'll need to maintain your desired lifestyle in retirement, and then work backwards to figure out how much you need to save and invest now. Now let's shift gears to estate planning. Though it might seem a bit grim to think about, estate planning is all about ensuring that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes after you're gone. Without a plan, your loved ones could face legal complications and unnecessary stress. Estate planning isn't just about writing a will, though that's certainly a key part. It also involves designating beneficiaries for your assets, setting up trusts if necessary, and making sure all your documentation is in order. It's a good idea to seek professional advice to ensure your estate plan is legally sound and aligns with your goals. Remember, securing your future isn't just about building wealth. It's also about protecting it and ensuring it can provide for you and your loved ones. By planning for your future, you're not just securing your own financial freedom, but also that of your loved ones. We've talked about beliefs, planning, tools, and security, but what does it all lead to? The rich life. Let's take a moment to ponder what the rich life truly means. Is it merely about having stacks of bills in your bank account? Is it about owning luxurious cars, grand mansions, or traveling first class around the globe? While these are certainly perks of financial abundance, the rich life extends far beyond material wealth. You see, the rich life is about time. It's about having the luxury to spend your hours, days, and years on your own terms. It's about waking up and knowing that your time is yours to shape and fill. It's about choosing to use your time to do things that bring you joy, ignite your passion, or contribute to your growth. The rich life is about freedom. It's about having the financial independence to make choices without being limited by financial constraints. It's about having the liberty to pursue your dreams, to take risks, to explore new horizons, without the fear of financial downfall. The rich life is about happiness. It's about finding joy not just in the accumulation of wealth, but in the journey of wealth creation. It's about celebrating your financial victories, no matter how small, and learning from your financial setbacks, no matter how big. And most importantly, the rich life is about defining what richness means to you. For some, it may mean having a comfortable home and a secure job. For others, it might mean having the freedom to travel the world or start a business. The rich life is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a personal vision that reflects your values, dreams, and aspirations. So I encourage you to envision your own version of the rich life. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Keep that vision in your mind's eye, for it will guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, a rich life is not just about having money. It's about having the freedom to do what you love, when you want, and with whom you want. Develop the right mindset, and you'll be on your way to a richer, more abundant life. I invite you to choose to live a rich, abundant, prosperous life, and to join us on this journey to financial freedom. If you found value in this video, then I'm sure others in your life will too. So why not share this video with them? Let's spread the wealth of knowledge and help others envision their own version of the rich life. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us reach more people who are on their own journey to financial freedom. But don't stop there. If you want more tips, insights, and strategies on wealth creation, then make sure to subscribe to ATB Financial Freedom. We're committed to equipping you with the tools and knowledge you need to secure your future and live the rich, abundant, prosperous life you deserve. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of wealth builders. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. And we're here to walk that journey with you every step of the way. So until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, keep building, and most importantly, keep believing in your rich life.